Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to use the built-in QR code to add contacts on WhatsApp. To do that, you have just to go to WhatsApp, open it, and after that click on your picture on the bottom right of the screen. And as you can see in the top right of the screen, there is a QR code icon. I will not click on it because this QR code, something that you should know, it's a private QR code. So if you show that QR code to someone, he can scan it and add you on WhatsApp. So you have to be a little bit smart when using this option. So like I told you, when you click on the QR code icon on the top right of the screen, it will show the QR code and anyone can scan it and add you on WhatsApp. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.